Welcome to Tier 3 Vision. So today we are going to explore our Pandas series a little bit more. So the mainly highlighted topic for today will be merging, joining and concatenating. So these three are the most common operation that we perform in a particular data frame. Merging is similar to when we merge in a, you can say, SQL operation. In SQL we also perform joining, and concatenating means we are basically concatenating two or more data frame. So for that I'm just importing my pandas as pd, and I'm creating one you can say a kind of a test data frame which have my columns as A, B, C, D, and I'm creating another data frame and third data frame. Now I'm printing the df1. I'm having 4 column A, B, C, D and index as 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly I have df2 and df3. Now what is concatenation? So concatenation basically glues together the data frame. So keep in mind that the dimension should match along any kind of axis you are concatenating on. It can be row wise also, it can be column wise also. So suppose we are performing concatenation. So we need to do pd.concat and we need to perform or we need to pass our data frame. So for suppose you want to concatenate 2 or more data frame, then you can pass data frame as a list. So I'm passing data frame as a list. Now you can also do concatenation on the column wise also, because by default if we don't pass any kind of axis it will do row wise. Now if you want to do column wise, you can do column wise, but this will lead us to so many kind of null values. So I think we already discussed how to deal with null values in our previous videos. Now again I'm creating one data frame, example data frame, left and right. So as you can see, this is my left data frame. It has key 1 and key having 0, 1, 2, 3, and right data frame also has key. Now I'll perform merge operation. So what merge function will do, it will merge together data frame on a basis of a particular key. So key is generally a kind of a, you can say, a common column between our two data frame. It can be any column, it can be A. Suppose I have a common value is 1, 2, 3, 4 in one data frame, and in my another data frame I have common same value as 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can perform my merging on basis of that particular key. So pd.merge, and we need to pass our data frame left and right. So as you can see, left and right are our two data frame, and we need to pass how is basically what kind of merging you want to do. Do you want to do inner merging, outer merging, left merging or right merging, and on key, or this on means on what column you want to do. So we want to do on a key basis, so we'll pass on key. Now I'll show you some more complicated data set. So you can also do a join on a list of keys. Suppose I have key 1 common in my one data frame and key 2 in my another data frame. So we can do in this way also. As you can see the result. Now you can do right. So right will basically focus on the data for right side of the data frame. So suppose I have this right data frame, I'll print here. So what I'll do, if I print my right here, so as you can see my right data frame is this. I have key 1, key 2, and let me print my left data frame also. So this is my left data frame. Now I'm performing how it will so this will means our merge or you can say merge operation will perform on this thing. It will consider this particular data frame. So right will be taken as a reference for this particular join, and key 1 and key 2. Key 1 it will look for one particular data frame, and key 2 will look for right data frame, and we will get data like this. Similarly you can do left also. Left what will basically will do, it will consider left data frame as a reference, and it will perform our merging. Now joining is kind of a similar to merging. So I have my left data frame, I have right data frame. I have created one to you can say simple data frame, and I'm having my axis as key 0 key. So what join will do, join look for that common key, and it will join in that particular operation. Suppose I have this k0, and in my index wherever I have my k0, so k0 in left data frame I having what is the value, a, b, and in my K0 I have CD. So what it will do, it will join those 4 columns on that particular key. And for K1 also it will do, and because K1 I don't have here, so because what we are doing here, we are performing outer join, and we are joining the rightmost. So what is the rightmost? This thing. So this thing, rightmost, it will not take as a reference, it will take a reference as a left one, because in left we are joining the right. Okay, so once we join left on the right, so as you can see K0, it will look for K0. So in my left I have K0, and here also I have K0. So it will do A B C D, or it will print A0, B0, C0, D0. Now it will look for K1. So K1 I have values A and B in my left data frame. For the right one I don't have, so it will print NaN, NaN. NaN defines the null values. Similarly it will do for K2. Now what is the outer operation will do? Outer operation will do kind of a same thing, but here it will consider all the values. It will look for K0, K1, K2, K3. So K0, if I have in common, it will do some values. Look for K1, K1, if we don't have values in the data frame, it will show us as null values. So with that, we are ending this important series on merging, joining and concatenating. Next we are going to discuss about some important operation, like how to use lambda operation of particular column. So we are going to talk about this topic in our upcoming videos. So with that, I'm ending this video. So one small request, many of you watching these videos are not subscribing as of now, so please do subscribe, motivate me to come with this kind of good videos. And please, whatever your thoughts, comment down below. That will help me to improve our concept and come with some sort of a new concept which will help you to enhance your knowledge. So with that, bye bye, take care. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.